We back. Don't mind my little granny sweater. I'm just a little tired. It's like 8 o'clock at night. Just trying to, make sure we stay on track. All right. Enough of the chit chat. So we're back, and as the title says, I am going to be doing some fall drugstore makeup. A lot of this product was gifted to me. I have some product from Milani. They so kindly sent me over like a nice big package this past week, so I'm gonna be using some of that. I have some Maybelline, some NYX, Makeup Revolution, Salon Perfect, e.l.f., Black Radiance, Maybelline. We just have a lot of drugstore things. So this took my granny sweater off so y'all could have like a final look. I can't find my earrings, so we're just gonna use our hair to cover it up. But that's it. This is my full drugstore, if I can talk, drugstore routine for fall. These lashes are so pretty. These are Salon Perfect Light and Fluffy Natural. These like give you so much dimension and height and I will say though, because they are a flat band, those are a little bit more difficult for me to apply. I don't know about y'all, but if y'all have tricks for applying like flat band, let me know, because we be struggling. I will link all the details below for all the products that I use. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I am posting Halloween looks right now. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you next time.